Hey, what's up? I hope you are doing well and great. This is Dilip here, your math teacher, and today we are going to talk about algebra. As you know that algebra is a branch of mathematics which deal with variable and constant. Okay, so algebra is all about variable and constant. Okay, then what is a variable? Variable is x, y, z, sometimes a, b, p, q. Even you can take your first letter of your name. That means any alphabet. So what is a variable? Variable, that means a number, not a number, a value which vary. Let's say if I will take x plus 2 is equal to what? So will I have 4? Will I have 5 or what? Let's say if I will write 2 plus 2, so that will give me a 4. If I will have a 2 plus 3, will I have a 5, right? Yeah. But what if I will write x plus 2, will it be this will give me the same answer or what? No, definitely not. Because x can be anything. X can be 1. Let's say if I will take x is equal to 1, let me plug into this. So I'm going to have 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Let's say if I will take x is equal to 2 and let me plug in this, so I'm going to have 2 plus 2, that means 4. Let me have x is equal to 3 and 3 plus 2 is going to be 5. So as you can see, I'm changing my value of x, then I'm also getting a different answer of my equation, right? So yeah, that is known as a variable. Okay, and what about the constant? So if you will write 2 plus 2, this will gives you 4, and 2 plus 4, this will gives you 6. That means the value of 2 is not going to be changed. It is a fixed. This is known as a constant. Okay, yeah. Now let's talk about algebra expression. What is algebra? We have already seen that. Okay, so let's talk about the expression, algebra expression. In algebra expression, you can have a variable and a constant and mathematical operator. Hey, what is a mathematical operator? So mathematical operator, that means which combine two terms, okay, which combines a variable and constant, like this, x and 2. X is a variable and 2 is a constant. So I can combine like this. I can also combine these variable and constant like this. These are your mathematical operator. It can be divide, multiply, addition, subtraction. Okay, yeah. So if I will write any constant and variable with a mathematical operator, so that will be known as a algebra expression. Okay, but make sure the power of what call variable must be a whole number. Okay, then the question is, what is a whole number? So whole number, it start with 0, 1, 2 and up to infinite. That means a positive number that include 0. Okay, yeah. And now let's talk about term. What is a term? So here, let's say if I will write x, then 2x squared, then I will add. This is the your algebra expression. Okay, yeah. And here two what call two numbers. Let's say this is the x and this is the 2x square. These two variable, you can say, are connecting to each other with this mathematical operator, right? Yeah. So this will be the first member of the family. You can consider expression as a family. This is going to be first member and this is going to be second member. So here you are having a two terms. Okay, so variable can separate with a mathematical operator, that will be known as terms. So in this 3x cube plus 2x square plus x. So how many terms you are having? 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah. And and x plus y. How many terms you are having? 1, 2. Okay, is that clear to you? Okay, so now let's talk about the coefficient. Let's talk about the coefficient. Okay, yeah. So what is a coefficient? A numerical value which multiply with variable. Let's say if I will write 2x, that means, as I told you, coefficient is a constant number which multiply with variable. So here x is a variable definitely, and 2 is multiply with variable. So 2 is going to be the coefficient. Let me write down 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So if I will ask you what is the coefficient of x square, so as you can see 2 is a multiply with x square, so 2 is going to be your coefficient. If I will ask you that what is the coefficient of x in this polynomial, so what will be your answer? Yes, you guys write 3, because 3 is multiplied with x, not x square. Okay, yeah, polynomial. Okay, yeah, polynomial. As you know that poly means many and nomial, that means terms. So here you are going to have a lots of terms. Okay, yeah. So if I will have only one term, so that will be your which kind of polynomial? Monomial. Mono means only one term. Let me give example. Let's say 3x. It can be 2c. Oh, that means only one term. The second type of polynomial can be binomial. Binomial, that means two. Let's say example 2x square plus y, or you can say that this is the first variable and this is another variable, so this is known as a into variable. Okay, yeah. And let's say x plus, okay, you can say c, or you can have a 2x square plus x. Okay, here you are having a two terms, that is why it is known as a binomial. Let's have the third type, which is a trinomial. Okay, so you can have example. Here you're gonna have a three terms. Okay, so 2x squared negative 3x plus 5. 1, 2, 3. So if you are having a three terms, that will be known as a trinomial. And what if you will have more than three terms? Then what? You're gonna have what? Let's say 4x cubed plus 3x squared negative 4x plus 1. So here you are having a more than three terms. So this is known as a same thing, polynomial. So monomial is also polynomial, binomial is also polynomial, and trinomial is also polynomial. Okay, these are the only number of terms. Mono, that means one, okay, and trinomial, that means three. Okay, yeah. If you will have more than three terms, so that will be polynomial as usual. Okay, yeah. And now let's talk about degree. Let's talk about the degree. What is a degree? Degree, that means the highest power of a variable in the equation, in the expression. So let's say if I will write 2x squared negative 3x plus 2. So will you please let me know which one is the highest power of variable? So here you are having a x variable, and here the first term you are having a square, that means power 2. So degree is the highest or maximum power of expression. So what is the degree of this polynomial? It is going to be 2. If I will write 4 power x 10 negative 4 power x 9 negative 4 power x, so what will be the degree of this polynomial? Yes, you guessed right, 10. Okay, yeah. So now let's differentiate and let's categorize the polynomial based on the degree. Okay, so let me talk about first equation. Let's say if you are having any polynomial nomial, let's say 2x squared then plus 3x negative 1. So this is expression. Okay, there is only mathematical operator here, plus and negative sign. And if I will add another mathematical operator like this, equal to is also mathematical operator, okay, is equal to 0, or let's say something 5. So now that means here you are having a value of this. So that means this is will be your equation, and this is your expression. Okay, yeah. So based on the polynomial, based on the degree, you can categorize the polynomial into 3 terms or 3 types. Let's have polynomial. First one is linear pair, linear equation, or you can say that linear polynomial. What does it mean? Let's say if I will write x plus 2, so this is known as a polynomial. Okay, linear polynomial. Why I'm saying linear, that means your degree will be 1, so if you will see here in this expression, the degree, that means power, maximum power. So the power of x is going to be 1, so that is why this is a linear equation or polynomial. Let me talk about the second one, quadratic equation, or I can say that polynomial. Okay, yeah. Let me have example. Let's say if I will write 3x squared plus 2x negative 5. So this is your what? This is your polynomial expression. Okay. So which kind of what call polynomial it will be? So here you can see that the degree of this polynomial is 2. Why 2? Because 2 is the maximum, or I can say the highest power of x, of variable. So degree is 2. If you are having any polynomial which has a degree 2, that means the maximum power is 2, so that will be known as a quadratic polynomial. Okay, yeah. So let's have another type of polynomial, which is a cubic polynomial. Okay, so yes, and let's say example 4x cubed plus 2x negative 5 here x square 5x and plus 8. So here you're having what? 3 2 1, then nothing. Okay, so this is going to be your cubic polynomial. Okay, if I will is equal to this, to some, let's say any number 15, so this is becomes your cubic equation. Okay, yeah. So here you are having a maximum power is 3, that means your degree. Okay, so if you are having a 3 degree, that will be known as a cubic polynomial. If you will have a 2 degree, that means the maximum power will be 2, then it is going to be a quadratic polynomial. And yeah, we will deeply study about the quadratic polynomial, you know, how we will solve, okay, how we can have a 0, how we can factor the quadratic polynomial by different method. Okay, yeah. So this is the brief introduction about the algebra and polynomial. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and definitely you should subscribe this channel, and you should share this video with your friends. And if you have any kind of query and question, then you can ask me in the chat section, in the comment section. Okay, and definitely I will reply over there. Okay, then hope to see you again. Bye.